In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collapse the ribbon bar automatically in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up PowerPoint or a presentation and select the File tab up at the top left. And then go down to the bottom of this menu where it says Options. Go ahead and select it. And then on the General tab should be the landing page here. On the right side underneath user interface options, look for where it says collapse the ribbon automatically. Only tab names will show when you make the window small. Check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference, and then you would select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.